Piggy banks are a way of saving loose change, which was very popular in the not-too-distant past. Amazingly, there are some Nigerians who still swear by this method of savings and faithfully stuff bits and pieces of cash in a little wooden box as a means of planning for the rainy day. Helen Osamide Akins took an interest in this peculiar form of banking and now reports.
Call it kolo, asusu, or igbajeche ego. Piggy banks have been in existence since the 15th century, becoming popular in the 20th. Sometimes called penny bank or money box, is the name of a container originally used by children to save money, but has since gained acceptance even with adults. It is designed in various shapes and sizes and sometimes made of wood, clay, ceramic, or metal. Piggy banks enable the depositor to take control of his banking process while helping to instill a sense of thrift from an early age. The piggy bank comes with a tiny opening at the top for inserting money.
One, it gives you what we call critical money. Okay. Two, it also enhances or in places, if you may, the culture of discipline. You know, being able to put away money and then knowing that you have money and you're not spending it. You know, way back when we were kids, our parents used to give us, they called them piggy banks. Okay, but in our own case, they used to, do it with wood, and then it had this, tiny hole, and what you usually saved were coins there.
Piggy bank can be sourced at the local carpenters or even from markets where herbs are sold. At the designated end of a saving circle, the owner may smash or destroy the piggy with a hammer or by other means to obtain the money within, depending on the type.
It takes me 10 minutes to do it. Yes, we do the hole because of so that we can put the money inside. No, you only box it. You use something to box the... You can't bring out the money without boxing the box. In a week I do, let's say, I do something like 7 or 6 for people. Sometimes more than that. The big size is 500, while the small size is 300 naira.
In 2018, the World Bank announced that 118 million Nigerians do not have bank accounts. Thus coming 89 years after Nigeria had its first stage of established banking with the Industrial and Commercial Bank. But banks have not always been this stable in Nigeria. At the time, some banks unable to break even liquidated, causing relative apathy from Nigerian depositors who kept their monies at home for fear of losing it. Regulators stipulated in 2005 that minimum paid-up capital be raised from 2 billion naira to 25 billion naira. These haven't ruled out the need for a backup basket and may be reason why piggy banks still remain fashionable for some.
For me, I encourage everybody. Sometimes I have a place I also throw some very careless coins, and you'll be very shocked that at that your need time, there's no way you can be able to find money. You start rampaging through your pockets and through your drawers. If you get towards that bank, you'll actually be surprised to find out how much you've been able to save in there. So
I have a friend that is a petty trader. What she does is she keeps her capital and drops her gains. That's the profit she makes from the business that she does in her piggy bank. So she have a specific period of time that should break it. So for her, it works for her.
Blessing Peter is a stylist. She says she has been using this means of saving for years and adds that it offers her benefits she hasn't found elsewhere.
I have the saving boys because sometimes if I'm saving money inside bank before, but sometimes if I want to carry my money, sometimes they will tell me service no good and no network, and I need to use the money very urgent. That's why I have the saving box, so that if I'm dropping money, anytime when I need my money, I will just open the box and carry my money.
Angela Ochubaye is a mother of 2. She buys the piggy bank for her kids as a way to instill the saving culture in them. She believes that this homemade option has ingrained in the children the value of hard work and responsibility.
Business, saving culture, trying to also involve them in being productive. So it's a mixture of, I don't want you to be idle, I'm trying to teach you some business sense and also saving culture.
I save my money inside my piggy bank. My mom bought me some things that I used to sell. So I sell loom bands and people give me money which I put inside my piggy bank. So I always save stuff so that anytime, maybe like my university, anytime I'll save it for my university or other stuff I might need.
From the Middle Ages to the present time, Piggy Bank doesn't seem going out of fashion anytime soon. This is probably because it is one means of savings that gives the depositor power over his or her money.